Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making Pad Woon Sen, Thai glass noodle stir fry. These translucent noodles have a wonderfully silky, springy texture that soaks up whatever sauce you cook them in. We're stir frying them with egg, garlic, and a mix of vegetables like cabbage, carrot, and onion, all pulled together with a splash of soy sauce and a bit of pepper. It's simple, comforting, endlessly adaptable, and very easy to make at home. Let's watch while Warrawood cooks some. Heat a wok over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 3 raw eggs, stir a little, and let them fry. Add onion and garlic and fry until the egg is firm. Add carrot and cabbage and toss into the egg. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. Add glass noodles, seasonings, and soy sauces. Stir and toss gently until everything is well coated in the sauces. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. The glass noodles will soften and get sticky as they heat up. Continue tossing and flipping until the vegetables begin to wilt. Keep the heat low. Do not overcook it. Add the green onion and mix in well. Turn off the heat and serve. Now let's talk about the ingredients. There is no meat in this dish, but we are using 3 large eggs. Also, 1 pack of Woon Sen, known as glass noodles, about 80 to 100 grams or about 3 ounces. 3 to 4 slices of yellow or brown onion. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of diced carrot. About 1/4 head of cabbage, roughly cut. 2 green onions cut into 1-inch pieces. 1/2 teaspoon of light soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And most restaurants in Thailand will use 1/4 teaspoon of MSG and 1 teaspoon of roti chicken flavoring, but you can substitute those with 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper and a pinch of salt, and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!